South African content creator Makhi the Strapper Queen is making headlines after a screenshot of her impressive general earnings from Meta platforms went viral on social media. The image, which was shared on X, shows that the Mpumalanga-born influencer earned about $5,826, roughly $92,000, from Facebook in a single payout for January 2026. Known for her funny, relatable, and sometimes outrageous videos, Makhi has often told her followers that Facebook is a main source of income, and the latest payment seems to confirm just how profitable the platform can be for successful creators. The post quickly attracted massive attention online, with many South Africans expressing shock at the amount she made in just 1 month. Some social media users said the earnings motivated them to start creating their own content on Facebook, while others joked that they might have to migrate from X because Meta appears to reward creators much better. Many also pointed out that if Makhi continues earning this way and manages her money wisely, she could become a millionaire sooner than expected.